Welcome to our instructional video on STAR's Implementation Price Calculator for MYOB Advanced.
This training video is approximately 8.5 minutes long.
Are you thinking of implementing MYOB Advanced ERP software, but are unsure of the costs involved? After completing these 5 questions, you'll receive a personalised report that will help you better understand the cost of implementing a version of MYOB Advanced that specifically meets your business needs. Please click on the Let's Get Started button shown in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen.
Question 1. Start by selecting your industry. Click on the white Select Industry sector bar to reveal a drop-down box listing various industries. If your industry is not listed, just choose Other. For demonstration purposes, we will choose Wholesale and Distribution. Click on the Next button.
MYOB Advanced is an ERP business management product and thus a step up in complexity from simpler accounting software products. It requires the implementation and configuration by experienced software consultants. To obtain an estimate of the services costs involved for your new MYOB Advanced solution, using industry averages, we need to understand the size and complexity of your business. Question 2 asks, do you consider your business and software process needs to be
simple and straightforward? This would relate to those businesses with low user counts, no integrations and a straightforward configuration. Of average complexity, this may relate to those businesses with low to medium user counts, no or low number of integrations and a straightforward configuration. Or complex and or unique. This relates to anything that goes above and beyond the previous descriptions. Click on the white Please Select bar and choose which option best suits you from the drop-down box.
For demonstration purposes, we will choose Average Complexity. Click on the Next button. ERP describes software that helps connect every part of your business, whereas accounting software tends to concentrate solely on the finance and accounting aspects of the business. When determining how many and of what type of users you need, it is important to think about the broader business needs and not just the accounting and finance needs. Otherwise, you may not realise the best possible return on investment from your system transition. If you want to know more about the differences between accounting software and ERP software, then check out STAR's white paper on this subject. Again, if you want to know more about return on investment, check out STAR's white paper on this subject. With MYOB Advanced, the monthly subscription cost is determined by the number and type of users you require. Question 3. How many users will need access? Type the estimated number in the white box. For demonstration purposes, we will assume 4 users only. There are now 2 ways to proceed. If you are happy to proceed based solely on user numbers, then click on the No button, then click the Next button. This approach will use the full user cost for all estimates. If you want a more accurate estimate, our recommended approach, click on the Yes button, and then a new selection area appears. If you do not know the user types, you can click on the Download Role Definitions button and obtain a copy of these definitions in PDF format. If you know, or once you have read the definitions on the user types you may need, click on the white tab and a drop-down box will appear. Select the user type you want, then type in the number of users in the box shown here. Click the Add More button and repeat for the various users that you believe you will need.
For demonstration purposes, we will just use 4 different types of user.
1 full access user, 1 warehouse user, 1 finance user, and 1 employee user. After selecting, please hit the Next button. There may be other factors that affect which MYOB Advanced Business Edition is the most suitable for your needs. Question 4 will help as a starting point for both discussions and pricing. Do you require any of the listed product features? Click yes or no.
If you select no, click on the next button to proceed. For demonstration purposes, we will select yes. If you click yes, then select all those features you believe you will need. For demonstration purposes, we will randomly select some. Then click on the next button. Many businesses have existing systems that they wish to retain and have their new MYOB Advanced software integrate with. This calculator does not calculate the cost of any integrations, as this must be determined on a case-by-case basis. However, listing them allows for discussion and ensures that they are considered as part of your project.
Question 5. Would you like to integrate your new MYOB Advanced solution with another software product? If you do not need any integrations, select no, then click on the next button. For demonstration purposes, we will select yes. In the input box, type the name of the product that you would like to integrate with. For demonstration purposes, we will suggest Sneet. If you have more than one product for integration, click on the Add More button and repeat as needed. As well as the existing systems you may wish to integrate with, there are many functional areas outside of the core MYOB Advanced product that we have the ability to solve for you. Click on those areas that you also need solved and would like integrated with your new MYOB Advanced software. For demonstration purposes, we will select several. Then click the next button.
Almost done. A personalised report similar to this one will now be prepared based on the information that you have supplied and will be emailed to you. The report provides an introduction, 5-year pricing estimated on a yearly cost and an amortised cost basis. The monthly licensing fee estimate broken down into user types if you've selected that option. An implementation cost estimate based on Australian averages. A listing of the product features you have selected, details of any products and functional areas you would like integrated with MYOB Advanced, and a return on investment checklist. This report can act as a starting point for your internal budget estimates and lay the groundwork for discussions with staff. To receive your report, we need the details requested on this page. Please ensure that your details and email address are correct, or the report will not reach you. If you are unsure about using this calculator, please feel free to call us on 1800 415 315 and we can talk you through the process. Or we can arrange for one of our business development managers to meet with you to discuss your needs.